Hey guys, this is your spa girl, and today I'm getting ready to go to the gym, but I wanted to show you I use a capsule of green superfood by Amazing Grass that has spirulina, wheatgrass, parsley, everything in it that's good for you, even sunflower sprouts. Then I use my own wheatgrass and peppermint. Right here I'm growing the wheatgrass. Here's my peppermint sprig. Then I use a jamba juice that I buy at Publix because I like these. This one has strawberry and peach and mango in it. It's called Caribbean Passion, but I also love the razzmatazz. Then I put a little 100% grape juice and I just throw it all into here with water. And now to do the wheatgrass, I am just been really lazy. I don't juice. I just take this wheatgrass, I dump it right in here and I just blend it. And then for the peppermint, I always take a sprig off outside and I just simply break off these leaves because I don't want to put the stem in there. I don't like swallowing the stem, but I do love the peppermint leaves. And when you look up peppermint and the benefits that it has for your body, it's just so good. It's worth it to me to eat these peppermint leaves, and I love the smell of it. I can smell it as I'm just pulling off the leaves. It smells so good. So I just throw them in there like that, put the top on, and then I blend it. So I'm getting my super greens, and the super greens here, I'm gonna turn on the light in my kitchen so I can see here. The super greens actually are gluten-free. There's no sugar. They're plant-based. They're non-GMO. And these are the different things that are in the super greens. You've got your wheatgrass, which I'm also throwing my own fresh wheatgrass that I grew in it. And my wheatgrass, by the way, 2 days to soak the seeds. Then they started sprouting. Then I threw them in the Home Depot tray with the soil. And then in, I think like day three, they started sprouting. And then day 5, I had wheatgrass in both trays. And now it's like day 7 and the wheatgrass is, the whole tray's floated. And I'm harvesting it already. So this is wheatgrass, barley grass. It has alfalfa, spirulina, chlorella, broccoli, spinach, beets, carrots, acacia, maca, and it says plus acerola, cherry, and more, okay? And this is freshly farmed organically in the United States. And so I really love it. It aids digestion, it helps alkalize, it promotes your detox, gives you energy, and it helps your immunity as it's an antioxidant. And I just take a capsule and dump it in here. Now, one thing I don't put in here that I swallow every day is turmeric. I always take a turmeric capsule every day too, and I just swallow it in the morning when I take my vitamin C. So I also do that, but I don't put it in my gym smoothie. This has got peppermint, wheatgrass, the plant food, the green superfood, and then I just take it in a normal blender and see how it all gets crushed in there like that. And it makes one smoothie gym. You won't see any wheatgrass. It's all grated right into there. You don't even have to juice them. And even the peppermint, it's kind of like a dark tea. Try it, guys. You will feel amazing and your workout will be sensational. Trust me, the spa girl, it really works. I'm just going to show you real quick before I end this video where my wheatgrass is out here. I have it on the table so the dogs won't get in it because dogs will eat wheatgrass. And there you've got my trays of wheatgrass that I'm harvesting. And see, this grew in 7 days. I had 2 huge trays of wheatgrass. And in between the wheatgrass and the clear tray, I also have sunflower sprouts growing because I'm going to start using the sunflower sprout part too. Bye. And please, guys, please, before I go, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Try making some healthy smoothies before you go lift weights and do cardio. Bye.